P6.3, changes of state. Okay, so I've got a beaker with ice on it, and I'm heating it up. So to start with, the temperature could be, well, if there's ice and water, the temperature is going to be 0. But if there's just ice, it could be really low, so it could start below 0. And then as I heat it up, they're giving these particles more and more energy, they're starting to vibrate more. If they're vibrating more, that means that their temperature is increasing because each individual particle has got more kinetic energy. And then we get to this stage here, where the temperature stops going up. And what's happening when the temperature stops going up is that instead of the energy going into making them vibrate more, it's going into breaking their bonds. So now they can move over each other, they're not fixed in place anymore. And that's when they're melting. And only once all of those bonds have been broken and they can all move around and all of the ice has been melted, will the temperature start to go up. And at that point, the liquid temperature starts to increase because the liquids are moving over each other faster and faster. Okay, remember, still no gaps between the particles of the liquid, but they can just move over each other faster until we get to a point where at 100 degrees, all of the energy that you are providing it with is going into evaporating the liquid. So the temperature stops going up because what you're doing now is you're making them so that they're not touching anymore, so they're evaporating. Okay, you're turning all that thermal energy into increasing the potential energy. These are terms that we will come on to later of that liquid, okay, and turn it into a gas. Now the temperature of a gas, so steam can have any temperature, it can go all the way up, okay, keep going. But liquid can only have a temperature of 100 because that's its boiling point. That's when all of the energy gets turned into evaporating. That's what's special about boiling point. All of the energy gets turned into turning it from a liquid into a gas.